Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today and we got to take a look at a plugged bathtub on the second floor. Let's see if we pull out anything interesting. Alright guys, so we're in the unit. I'm gonna turn on the bathtub. It looks like it's plugged up a little bit there. Honestly, I'm thinking it's just hair built up. So let's get at it. So you can see hair there. I think we found us an easy one. You know what? So this black cover usually I just stick my pliers in there and that can come out. Normally I would just go right through the hole, but I know there's going to be a lot of hair, so I don't want it to get stuck. It's just threaded. Grab the snake. We're using the Milwaukee M18. Some hair there. My light is dying on me. Lots of hair. As you can see, no water is building up. That. You definitely don't want to over tighten that. I'm going to do the cap back up, the overflow cap. That's that. Put this in, just screws in. So you can see it's holding. And now it's draining. I don't like these stoppers. They don't let it drain as quick as it should. So you can see it is draining, it's just this stopper is actually faulty. They're gonna have to change this out. The gasket's broken. Alright guys, so there you go. Now the bathtub, everything's looking good. Lots of hair in that one, which is good that we got it out. Until next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Trogna.